hope you all are having a fantastic day. So as you can see from the title down below, today I have the Target November 2019 beauty box. Now they did actually have 2 boxes this month. They had one that was just the regular box, which I have here, and then they did have one that was for like curly hair. Since I don't really do curly hair, I didn't get that one. I just got this one. For those of you that are not familiar, the Target beauty box actually is not a subscription. You go in every month and you order it. It usually releases the first, sometimes the second Monday of every month. And they are $7. And sometimes, like last month, they had a men's box, which was great. So I'll put a link down below if you would like to check it out. I do believe this is still available. So let's get in here. I honestly don't remember. It is quite heavy, but I don't remember exactly what was in here. But before we do, first, again, thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. And again, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Guys, don't forget we have quite a few active giveaways. They're all linked below, so definitely check them out and enter if you have not already. And if you are new, welcome. We would love to have you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what the box has this month. I think it is super pretty and looks like it almost has like leaves and crystals and I don't know, it's just really pretty. And then the purple. So let's see. All right, so this is the card here on top. It says Beauty Boosters. Now, I don't know why they're doing this. On the back, it does go over the information for each of the products, and it does always give a coupon here for $3 off a $15 or more beauty purchase. Sometimes it's the barcode that you can scan in the store, which is my preference. Sometimes it's a thing like that you have to put on your phone. I do prefer this, and it's like they alternate months. Some months it's the coupon, some months it's the little scan thing. I don't know, but either way, you do get that. So if you take that off, you're really paying $4 for this box. Not a bad deal. So let's peel back the paper. Oh, wow. Okay. So, wow. This is, well, there were one thing. This is the box. I remember now, but I'm really surprised at the sizes. So let's just start. We're going to start right here. This Sunny and Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil Eyelash and Eyebrow Growth Serum. 100% natural for thicker, luscious lashes, thicker, fuller eyebrows in just 3 weeks. Visible improvement in the overall appearance of eyelashes and eyebrows. Mascara wand inside. This is 2 ounces and this is a 3-month supply. Serum formulated with castor oil helps promote hair growth so brows and lashes look thicker, fuller, and lusher than ever in just 3 weeks. Wow. Okay. So here it is outside, and it does have the little wand, so you could put it on your lashes. I usually do not use products like this, like lash serums and things like that. But this has me really, it's 100% natural. This really has me curious, so I think I am going to give it a try. I mean, I'm down for thicker lashes, so I'm excited already. That to me is almost worth the box. So we have that guy. All right, and then what is this? This is from Garnier Fructis. Sleek Shot In Shower Styler. In a shower sleeking technology with argan oil and plant protein, evenly wrapped strands from root to tip, leaving hair silky smooth and providing 24-hour frizz control. Cuts sleeking time in half. Mix with shampoo, rinse and condition, blow dry to cut sleek time in half. This is, mix it with your shampoo to cut your sleeking time in half. Faster, easier blow dry styling so you can skip the flat iron. Huh. That's interesting. I'm definitely excited to try that. And that'll definitely be enough. That's I mean, for a foil packet, yeah. All right. so then we have, oh, this is my favorite scent. This is from Love Beauty and Planet, Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower. This is a body wash. So it's a sample of the body wash. And infused with invigorating coconut water and mimosa flower, which leaves skin silky soft, instantly refreshed, and deliciously fragrant. I can't read. I have tried this before. I love this. I love products from Love Beauty and Planet, but the coconut water and mimosa flower is my favorite scent. So I'm not mad at getting this. This could go in my travel bag. So I'm really excited about that. All right, and then we have from Ollie, Undeniable Beauty Multivitamin Gummies. Yummy gummies packed with the perfect blend of biotin and vitamin C and E help keep skin, hair, and nails in tip-top shape. All right, so let's see. Undeniable Beauty Hair, Skin, and Nails says biotin, vitamin C, E, and keratin. Grapefruit Glam is the flavor, and it's 2 of them, which is probably just for one day. Take 2 gummies daily. So it's just, you can try it. I don't really like grapefruit, but I mean, I'll try it one day in place of my normal multivitamin, since it did say it was a beauty multivitamin. Well, I don't know. I may still have to take my regular one. I don't know. Either way, we have this. All right, and then we have 2 more products. We have the Pantene Gold Series Hydrating Buttercream. Luxe Argan Oil Infused Hydrating Cream melts into wet or dry hair to soften and tame frizz, leaving curls moisture rich for up to 72 hours. For dry, damaged hair, sulfate-free, dye-free, 72-hour moisture, buttercream. Start with dry or damp hair after detangling. So it's a leave-in. Oh, it smells good. It smells really good. And y'all, that is a really good size. It's 2.6 ounces. That's a really, really good size. All right, and then the final product is another Pantene, and it's again, this is 3 fluid ounces. Gold Series Leave-On Detangling Milk. Moisturizing cream preps strands for styling by detangling, strengthening, and softening curls, as well as smoothing the hair cuticle for easier styling. And something like this, even though it says curls, to me, you don't have to have curls to use this as a leave-in conditioner. Preps and strengthens. It's for dry, damaged hair, sulfate-free, dye-free, tames frizz. Moisturizing. Start with damp hair or dried. Dispense a quarter-size amount into the palm. Rub between palms to emulsify. Smooth through from mid-shaft to ends. Begin to finger comb. Once evenly distributed, use wide tooth comb to fully detangle and then style. A detangling milk. I've never heard of that. Let's see. I bet it probably smells the same. Oh, God, y'all, that smells like so good. It has like a, it's not citrus. It's not, I almost want to say tropical, but not, it just smells really good. Like, I don't know, kind of sort of tropically. But yeah, I mean, either way, it smells really good. I absolutely 110% think this is one of the best Target beauty boxes I've seen in a while. I mean, these 2 right here, these 2 different detanglers, leave-ins, are both really good size. They both smell fantastic. We have the little sample here to try, which I have tried and love, the Love Beauty and Planet body wash. I'm excited to give this a try, mixing this in with my shampoo, the Garnier Fructis Sleek Shot, to help tame frizz and cut down on drying time. That's awesome. we can try some vitamins. I don't really know that we're gonna, see any results after just one day, but at least you can taste it, see if it's something you may want to try. And then this is the one for me, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Eyelash and Eyebrow Growth Serum. Now, I probably won't use this on my eyebrows, but I'll definitely use it on my lashes. So I'm excited about that. And just so we know, here it did say it's official, fall is here, and if your skin, hair, and mood are in desperate need of a little pick-me-up, you're not alone. Here, the beauty boosting products we turn to when we want to look good and feel our very best too. So that was it. Let me know your thoughts down below. Did you pick this box up? Like I said, I will put the link down below because I do believe it is still available, and I'm really excited. This alone to me really kind of makes the box, but then these products, smelling them, they smell fantastic. And then trying something new with the Garnier Fructis product, and then obviously trying the vitamins, and then having, a little sample here of that body wash, I think was great for $7. So again, let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.